Have you ever spent time setting filters or filling fields in Odoo only to lose them when you switch devices or browser? It's frustrating to redo the same thing again and again and again. But what if your preferences could follow you everywhere, saving your time and hassle? So today, I'll show you a simple way to keep your Odoo fields saved automatically no matter where you log in. If you use Odoo regularly, you know how important quick access to filter view is, but default setting doesn't always stick, especially when you switch in between computer or browser. The optional fields save module solves this by saving your selected field per user, so your filters stay just how you want them every time you log in. To get started, open your Odoo Apps menu, search for optional field save and click install. No complicated setup needed, just install and it's ready to work for you. Let me show you how it works in the real life. For example, let's say I have to open sales order using Chrome. The default filter setting is creation date, salesperson, activities, company, and total. So I will add expected date, taxes, and invoice status as my daily go-to. And I like the way it works because it fits me. But the problem appears when I open sales order from other browser. Everything I set, every preset that make me productive in working, all gone. And I have to start again from scratch. Now, after installing the optional field save module and select fields or column, the module automatically saves your choices linked to your user account. See? When I switch browser or devices, my settings stay exactly the same. I don't need to redo anything. Now, if you log out and open Odoo on a different browser or devices, your filter and field selection still here, exactly how you left them. This means less time setting up your views every day and more time on what really matters, like closing deals or managing your team. No more losing place or wasting click. This simple feature makes Odoo smoother and user-friendly, especially for teams that work across different devices or share a computer. It helps everyone stay efficient, consistent, it's saving time and avoiding frustration. Ready to save your time and make your Odoo experience better? Install the optional Save by Doodex now at the Odoo App Store. And if you want help to setting it up, the Doodex team is here for you. Thanks for sticking out with me. If this saved you some time, hit that like button. It really helps. Got question or want more Odoo hacks? Subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss out. Catch you in the next video. Let's make Odoo works for you.